Hello friends, this is Priyanka. Today we are going to solve a problem on hydrostatic forces on surfaces. So here the hydrostatic means the fluid at rest, and fluid may be in the form of liquid or gaseous. Now in this we are going to solve a problem about vertical surfaces submerged in liquid. So first I will read what is the given problem. A pipeline which is 4 meter in diameter contains a gate valve. The pressure at the center of pipe is 19.6 Newton per centimeter square. If the pipe is filled with oil of specific gravity 0.87, find the force exerted by oil upon the gate and position of center of pressure. So this was the given problem. Now let us first understand the construction diagram as per the given data. So here the pipe is given, that means this is the cross section of the pipe at which the center the pressure is given 19.6 Newton per centimeter square, and this pressure is exerted by the oil with specific gravity 0.87. So what is the perimeter or cross section of the pipe? So we know that it is in circular shape. So we have to show this gate valve. So the pressure is exerted on this gate valve. So we have to show here the separate circular shape at which the center is at the center of the circular shape there is the center of gravity G, and below that there is the center of pressure P. Now what is the question? That we have to find out the force exerted by oil upon gate. So here the specific gravity of oil is given, and we have to calculate the applied force by the oil upon this gate. And the next question is that we have to find out what is the position of the center of pressure. That means what is the distance from the free surface of oil to this center of pressure. Now we will move for the given data. Now if we observe here the diameter D is given, that is 4 meter. So from that we can calculate the area. So what is the area? Pi by 4 D square, that is equal to 4 pi meter square. So here pi we can take directly into the calculation, because in the calculator pi value is directly given. Now the specific gravity S for oil is given, that is 0.87. So we can easily calculate the density. So how to calculate the density of oil? That is specific gravity into 1000. So for oil we can take here as a O. So 0.87 into 1000, which is equal to 870 kilogram per meter cube. Now this is the density in kilogram per meter cube. So we can convert it into the weight density of oil. So we have to just multiply here density with G, that is the G means gravitational acceleration. So here weight density of oil, that is W to the base O for oil, which is equal to rho O into G, and which is equal to 870 into 9.81 Newton per meter cube. So this kilogram is getting converted into Newton. Now we can calculate what is the pressure head at the center. So what is the pressure head at the center? That is what is the distance of the free surface of oil from the center of the pipe. Now why we take only the center of pipe? Because here in the given data the pressure at the center of pipe is given. So from this pressure and what the weight density of oil, we can easily calculate the pressure head. Pressure head means what? That is the distance of free surface of oil from the center of the pipe. So what is the formula? So here pressure is given 19.6 Newton per centimeter square. But what is the standard unit? That is Newton per meter square. So we have to convert it into the Newton per meter square. So here centimeter square we will first convert into meter square. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So here 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 2, that is 10 raised to minus 4. But here centimeter square is in the denominator. So if we take this 10 raised to minus 4 in the numerator, it will become 19.6 into 10 raised to 4 Newton per meter square. divided by what is the weight density, that is 870 into 9.81 Newton per meter cube. So when this Newton per meter square term is getting cancelled, then what is the answer here? That is 22.988 meter. Now what is the meaning of pressure head at the center? That means the distance of free surface of oil from the center. Now if we observe this diagram, at the center there is the center of gravity G. So we can say that this center of gravity is at a distance equal to 22.988 meter from the free surface of oil, and that is equal to nothing but h bar. So this we can consider here the distance h bar. Now we will move for the first question. So what is the first question? That is the force exerted by the oil upon gate, that is F is equal to rho G A H bar. So this is the formula. So what is rho? That is here we have to take this density of oil 870, G 9.81, A area that we have already calculated 4 pi, and H bar that is here is the pressure head at the center. So here H bar 22.988. So when we solve this, we will get the answer 24,65,500 Newton. Now we will move for the second question, that is what is the position of the center of pressure, that is this P. That means we have to again calculate the distance H dash, that is the distance of this center of pressure P from the free surface of oil. So how to calculate this? So H dash is equal to, we have formula Ig by AH bar plus H bar. So what is this Ig? That is the moment of inertia about the center of gravity of the area of the surface. So here is the center of gravity and this is the axis passing through the center of gravity. So we can calculate here the moment of inertia about the axis passing through the center of gravity. And what is the formula here? So for this circular shape, the formula is pi d raised to 464. So in this formula we will just put these values, that is pi by 64 d raised to 4 divided by a means pi by 4 d square into h bar plus h bar. So we can simplify this pi is getting cancelled, d square and d raised to 4, that means here d square is getting cancelled. So what is remaining here? That is 4 square by 16 into 22.988 plus 22.988. So when we solve this, we will get the distance h bar is equal to 23.031 meter, and this is the answer.